Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KODK. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes worth of time. So this here may look like a couple weeks. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for a long time. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above this previous breakout point at $6.15. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $6.15, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that, let's see, what is this previous breakout point? Right here at about $5.50. So $6.15. 550, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader term time horizon in terms of your outlook on the trade. But you can use that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very big picture point of view, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. No doubt about it. You know, that's just a very straightforward way. Again, if the price could stay above the 615 mark, that would be a massive sign of power. But from the broad scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the sellers seem to be hanging out right here around the $7.60 mark. I was watching the levels twos today, seeing if it could actually break out through there and get up to 8. And yeah, there was definitely a lot of selling that was happening right around 765. So that'll be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. But no doubt about it, a lot of eyeballs will be watching this one. We'll see how it all unfolds. I know I'll be keeping an eye on it. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.